What are you doing? I'm cooking for dinner. And what are you making today? Well, I'm making a lot of things today. I'm making boiled potatoes, pasta, and steak. Wow, why all these stuff? Well, four of my friends are coming over for dinner. Would you like to join? They're really nice people. Well, it depends what time is dinner. Actually, they're coming around 7 o'clock. Sounds great. Actually, I'm going to finish classes by 6 o'clock. Are they bringing any drinks with them? No, they aren't. Then don't worry about drinks. I'm buying them. Oh, that's so sweet of you, Julia. Thank you. Don't mention it. You always help me with my parties. That's what are friends for? Tell me about your brother and sister, Emma. Well, my sister works for the government. Oh, what does she do? I'm not sure. She's working on a very secret project right now. Wow, and what about your brother? He's a wildlife photographer. What an interesting family. Can I meet them? Sure, but not now. My sister is away. She's not working in the US this month. And your brother? He's traveling in the Amazon. Wow, I'd love to visit the Amazon one day. So what about your parents? Where do they live? They live in Texas. Where in Texas? In Austin. It's a small city, but it's very nice. Are they still working? Oh yes, my mother is teaching at a university there and my father is a carpenter. And are you happy here living on your own? Yeah, I'm enjoying here and I've made a lot of friends recently. All stop playing video games and listen to me. Why aren't you listening to me? But I'm listening to you, Mom. You never pay attention. You never know what I want from you. I know exactly what you're telling me. Okay, once more. Auntie Sally is coming on Friday afternoon. Auntie Sally? I hope she's not staying till Sunday. She's leaving on Sunday evening, and don't be rude, Paul. You're always saying that. Okay, why is Auntie Sally's coming on Friday? It's your birthday on Sunday. By the way, she's buying you a present right now. My dear Auntie Sally. Paul, you should behave yourself. You're acting like a fool. I'm sorry, Mom. I'm joking. Can you hear? Your phone is ringing. Yes, I can. Who's calling? I don't know. Go see yourself. Hi, Sandy. Nice to see you. What are you doing these days? Hi, Julia. I'm working in a hotel near the beach. I'm liking it a lot because it's so interesting. And you? Are you still studying French at the college? Yeah, but I'm not enjoying it very much because we have to work too much. But one good thing is that I'm writing to a French boy who lives in Paris. It helps with my French. Are you going home now? No, I'm going to the supermarket to do some shopping. Do you want to come with me? I can't, sorry. I'm going to a cafe to meet my friend Melissa. She's helping me with my French homework. But I call you tomorrow, okay? Okay, speak to you tomorrow. Bye.